Boost your career with online software training. In today's digital age, staying updated with the latest software skills is crucial for career advancement. Online software training offers a flexible and efficient way to learn new technologies and enhance your expertise. Here's why you should consider it. 1. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Online courses fit into your schedule, making it easier to balance work, life, and education. 2. Variety. Access a wide range of courses covering different software, from basic tools like Microsoft Office to advanced programming languages and development frameworks. 3. Expert instructors. Learn from industry professionals and experienced instructors who provide valuable insights and practical knowledge. 4. Cost-effective. Save money on travel and accommodation. Many online courses are affordable, with some offering free content or financial aid options. 5. Interactive learning. Engage with interactive modules, live sessions, forums, and peer collaboration to enhance your learning experience. Invest in online software training today and open the door to new career opportunities.